Good morning all of you. We are doing class 5 maths and today we will start chapter number 4, multiplication and division. So as we know, we have already learned this multiplication and division in the previous classes. Here, so what we will do in this chapter? Here we will do multiplication and division of larger numbers. Okay, previously in class 4 we have done multiplication of smaller number, but in class 5 we will do multiplication of larger numbers. So what is multiplication? We know that multiplication is a repeated addition of same number. In multiplication, the multiplicand and the multiplier are multiplied to get the product. So what is multiplicand and what is the multiplier? Suppose I have written 12 into 2. What would be the answer? That is 24. We have already done this in class 2, 3, 4. So here this one is multiplier and this one is multiplicand and this is the product. Understood? This is multiplicand, this one is multiplier and this one is product. Now, so what we will do in multiplication, the multiplicand and the multiplier are multiplied to get the product. The numbers so to be multiplied are first arranged in columns and then multiplied by starting from the ones column. As we know what we have done in addition and subtraction, first of all we have to arrange the numbers in columns or in periods. Okay, now multiplication table. How we will make a multiplication table? We know how to construct tables up to 10 using various methods like repeated addition, skip counting and by adding 1 to 10. Now let us learn how to construct multiplication table of 11 to 20 using three different methods. Now example number 1, construct the table of 11 using the method of repeated addition. So what would be the solution? The solution is written over here. Repeated addition. To construct the table of 11 using this method, we need to add each number 11 times repeatedly. Suppose that we have written 11 and we are writing a table of 11. So we have to write 11 times 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 times 1 we have written, that means 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that 11 times, that is 11. And then 11 times 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 22. Similarly, we have completed up to 10. That means 11 times 10 equals to 110. We may write this like 11 into 1 equals to 11, 11 into 2, that is the table of 11. 11 1s are 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, like this, 11 10s are 120. Okay. Similarly, we will do all the tables starting from 11 to 20. So you have to learn these tables. Simply learn all the tables so that it would be easy for you to do the multiplications easily. If you will not learn the table, it would be not easy for you to do the multiplication, to do the sums, to do the divisions. Okay, so learn these tables. Now, multiplication of larger number by 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit numbers, long multiplication division by long multiplication division. So, what is long multiplication division? Long multiplication division is a method used for multiplying numbers larger than tens. Usually write the bigger number in multiplicand and the smaller number as multiplier. As we know, suppose that this one 112 multiplied by 10. This is multiplicand and this one is multiplier. We are writing like this only, and here we will write the product 1120. This is the product. Now let us take an example to understand this method. Example number 2, multiply 2169 by 57. So how we will multiply? Number 1, here the multiplicand is 2169 and multiplier is 57. That means 5 tens plus 1 7 ones. Now step 1, what we will do in step 1? Multiply the multiplicand by the digit at the ones place of the multiplier. That means 2169 into 7 ones, this one. Simply multiply this number, so we will get this number. 3 sevens are 7 nines are 63, 3 carry 6, 7 6 are 50, 42 plus 6 48, 8, here we will write 8 and carry 4, 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 we have written 1 carry, 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 15. So normally we have to do the calculation. That means 2169 into 7 equals to 15,183. Now in step 2, what we will do? In step 2, multiply the multiplicand by the digit at the tens place of the multiplier. What is at the tens place? That is 5. So we will multiply 2169 into 5 tens, that means 50. Simply we will write 1 0 over here, then multiply 5 nines are 45, carry 4, 5 6 are 30 plus 4 34, carry 3, 5 ones are 5, 5 and 3 8, 5 twos are 10. So 2169 into 50 is equals to 1,08,450. So the product is 1,08,450. Now we will move to step 3. Add the product obtained in step 1 and step 2. Simply add this product, this one and this one. These two numbers simply add. So after adding we will get 1,23,633. Okay. Now there is an alternative method for doing this calculation. We have to arrange these numbers by in periods: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2169 multiplied by 557. Simply add, multiply 7 nines are 63. We have written 3, carry 6, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 6 is equals to 8. 48 we have carried 4, so 7 1 is 7 plus 4 11, 11 we have written 1, carry 1, so 7 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 15. So we have written 15, so 15,000. This again we will start with this 5 into 9 54, 5 nines are 45, 45 we have written 1 0 over here for there, and 5 threes are 5 nines are 45, we have written 5. Why we have written 0 over here? Because 50 is there, or we may write a cross over here. We may write a cross also. Okay. So 5 nines are 45, 5. Similarly we will do these calculations and then we will add this and this. So 3 plus 0 equals to 3. 8 plus 5 equals to 13. 3 carry 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. Then 8 plus 5 13. 13 3. We have written 1 carry 1. So 1 plus 1 2 and 1. So we have got the answer 1,23,633, and it would be read as 1,23,633. Okay, now we'll take another example. Multiply 4,396 by 158. Simply we will multiply this number and we will get the answer like this: 6,94,568. This is the multiplier of 3-digit number. This one is 2-digit number, this one is 3-digit number. And here same thing happens here, but the number is of 4-digit number. Multiplication of the number A is 1723 multiplied by 1562. Similarly, we will do the calculations. Simply multiply, then add these numbers 1 2 3 4, all the 4 numbers, we will get the product. Okay, now here in B, example number B, 60,005 into 1,908. So we have written multiplicand here and multiplier this. Similarly, we will do the multiplication. First of all, we will do the multiplied by 8, then 0, then 9, then 1, and add these numbers 1 2 3 4, all these numbers, then we will get the product. Okay, now we will read about multiplication by a number by a multiplier ending with 0. So any number which is a multiplier ending with 0, will do a simple calculation. We have to follow these rules. To multiply a number by 10, write the multiplicand followed by 1 0. Suppose that 12 into 10. So what we will write? 12 plus 1 0, that means 120. Nothing else. 12 into 20. So what we will write? First of all, we will write 1 0, then calculating this, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, 240. Okay, now point number 2, multiply a number by any multiply of 100. We write 2 zeros at tens and 1 place. Then multiply the multiplicand by the remaining digits of the multiplier and write the product obtained before the 2 zeros. Let's take some examples over here. First of all, example number 6, find the following products: 6,849 multiplied by 100, and number B is 4,315 into 300. So what we have done, we have written 2 zeros over here, then simply multiplied and written the number. And in number B, what we have done, we have written 2 zeros and then multiplied this number by 3. So the calculation is here, so we will write the calculation. After that, we will put 2 zeros. That means what we have got, 1 2 9 4 5. This is the multiplication of 4,315 into 3, and after that we will put 2 zeros for 300. Okay, similarly we will do the multiplication of 1000. Here what we will do, we will put 3 zeros and whatever the number would be. 1, suppose that 12 in 142. Let's take an example. 11,455 multiplied by 1000. So what we will write? 11,000. First of all, we will write 3 zeros, 3, then 11,455. This is the required answer. Okay. Now let's take example of B, 7B, so that you will be able to understand this one. So 7B is 7,215 into 2000. So what we will do? Simply we will multiply 7,250 into 2, this one. So after multiplying this number, what we have got? 14,430, and for 1000 we will put 3 zeros, 2, 3. So we have got the required answer. Okay, now let's concentrate over here. Lattice multiply. Maybe you have done in earlier classes, or if you have not done, just understand this one and be concentrate over here. We know that lattice multiplication is an easier method for multiplying large numbers using a grid than the regular multiplication method. Let's consider an example to revise it quickly. Let's take an example. Example number 8. Multiply 5,479 by 678 using the lattice multiplication method. Check the answers by simple multiplication method. So first of all, we will do the lattice multiply. So we have to make a grid. So simply make this grid 4 into 3. That means 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3, 1, 2, 3, because we have got this 1000 and 100 digit number. Okay, after that we will divide this grids. That means first of all we have make this grid 4 into 3, and after that we will divide this grids like this. Okay, you've got it? Sorry. Simply like this. Now we will write 5 over here, 4 over here, 7 over here, 9 over here. Simply ones, tens, 100, 1000, and here ones, tens, 100. Now how we will do the multiplication? Normal multiplication. 9 into 6, 54, 5, 4, 54. 7 into 6, 7 into 6, 42. So 4 and 2. 6 into 4, 24. 2, 4. 6 into 5, 30. So 3, 0. Just write this. Again we will start in the second row. 7 into 9, 63. 63. 7 into 7, 49. 7 into 4, 28. 7 into 5, 35. Okay. Now we will write 8 into 9, 72. 8 into 7, 56. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 5, 40. Now what we will do? simply we have done the multiplication. Now we will simply write 2 over here because only one box is here, and here 6 plus 7 plus 3, 6 plus 7 plus 3 equals to 16. So 1 we will take carry over here. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4. So what would be the required number? 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4 equals to 27. 27, 7 we will keep over here and 2 we will carry over here. So 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5. So after addition what we will get? 24. 24, 4 would be here and 2 carry. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. So what would be the number after adding? 21. So 1 would be there and 2 carry. 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2. So the number is 7, and here one number is 3. So the required number is 3 7 1 4 7 6. So and 2. So 2 6 7 4 1 3 7 3. So 5479 multiplied by 678 is equals to 37,14,762, and it is read as 37,14,762. And here for checking we will do the simple calculations, and in simple calculation also we have got the same answer, that means 37,14,762. okay, now we will move to another portion, multiplication using expanded form. So how we will do the expand? We have already done the expanded form in addition and subtraction, and here we will do the expanded form in multiplication. We have already learned how to expand number and multiply using the expanded form in the previous classes. To multiply number using expanded form, we write the multiplicand and the multiplier in expanded form, then multiply each term of the expanded number, that means multiplicand, by each terms of the expanded multiplier. Finally the individual products are added together to obtain the final product. Now let us learn multiplication of larger number using expanded form. So until and unless we will do the examples, we will not be able to understand it properly. So let us start an example. Example number 9. Find the product of 1618 plus and 25 using the expanded form. Check your answer by actual multiplication. So in step 1 we will expand these numbers. So 1618 would be expanded as 1000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 8 multiplied 20 plus 5. We will expand this number. Now in second step what we will do? Multiply each term of the expanded form of the multiplicand by each term of the expanded form of the multiplier. That means this all would be multiplied by this 2. How? So 20 into 1000, that means from starting with this 20 into 1000, 20 into 600, 20 into 10, 20 into 8. We have done this. 20 into 1000, 600, 10, 8. Again we will take 5 into 1000, 5 into 600, 5 into 10 plus 5 into 8. So what we will get? 20 into 1000, 20 into 600 plus 20 into 100 plus 20 into 8 plus 5 into 100 plus 5 into 600, 5 into 1000 plus 5 into 600 plus 5 into 10 plus 5 into 8. So in the step 3 what we have got? Find the product of the above number and add to obtain the final product. So 20 into 1000 equals to 20,000. 20 into 600 equals to 12,000. 20 into 10 equals to 200. 20 into 8 equals to 160. And 5 into 1000 equals to 5,000. 5 into 600 equals to 3000. 5 into 10 equals to 50, and 5 into 8 equals to 40. After adding this, we will get this product 40,450. So 1618 multiplied by 25 is equals to 40,450, and it is read as 40,450. Now for checking the answer whether we have got the answer correct or wrong, we will do the actual multiplication, and after doing the actual multiplication we have got the same answer, that is 40,450. So the multiplication using expanded form is correct. If there will be any difference between this answer and this answer, that means we have done this calculation wrong. But here we have got this answer and this answer same, that means our calculation is correct. So do this mental mathematics at your home. Next day we will do exercise number 4.1. Okay, first of all, read the exercise, read this explanation part fully, so that it would be easy for you to understand this multiplication part. And please learn this table, learn this all tables, so that it would be easy for you to do the calculations easily. Okay, and read this explanation part and do this mental mathematics as a homework. Next day we will do this one. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.